Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know for do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
My wisdom warriors, so new heat records likely in 2024. The reason why me I tell you this is so you can prepare yourself from now. You understand me? So, the United Nations World Meteorological Organization is warning that 2024 is likely to be even hotter than last year, which saw global temperature smashing heat records as heat waves stalked oceans and glaciers suffered record ice loss. The WMO's annual State of the Climate report said the globe has never been this close to the 1.5 Celsius lower limit of the 2015 Paris Climate Accords agreement. So my viewers and subscribers, my wisdom warriors, my viewers, everybody that is watching this channel, I'm telling you guys to be prepared. You understand? Last year was just crazy. Last year just gone wild with the heat. May I tell you now? I'm really telling you guys. We spot me there, the heat was crazy last year. We couldn't keep up. But it is the mercy of God. So may I want everybody in Jamaica and abroad to be prepared and look out for this hot weather. You understand? Because it's not going to be easy at all. So anybody from now, try and get on the AC if you can. Just try on the best. Because when the heat turn up, you hear, Angella only saying like, if you turn up things and turn it down. All right. So you see when this heat are ready, we have to be prepared. So I want all of my wisdom warriors them to be prepared for this that is coming. Anyway, hear this. Incidents of fraud against customers of the National Commercial Bank, NCB, have gone down by almost 70% from October last year to February. But the thing, my viewers and subscribers, I agree with them. Hear what them say. Them say fraud against customers. They have a right to say fraud against customers. Fraud against customers have gone down by almost 70%. But the question is, it gone down, but how much people get back their money? How much people out of 100% would say get back their money? A lot of people still haven't received back their money. A lot of people, and this is where the digital thing come in, because if a simple error you can't fix, how you go manage with the digital? Really and truly, me have to ask about that. How you go manage? How you go manage? A lot of people money are gone. A lot of people money is going to go. A lot of people money are going to miss my viewers and subscribers. And it's just the truth. Because if Jamaica cannot manage a little simple error, for them claims that them don't know where the money they ain't gone. How them are going to know when them bring in, them bring in the digital thing. How them are going to manage? How them are going to manage? A lot of people are going to left without money. Una are going to say the joke. Una are going to see. But let me continue. That's according to CEO of NCB, Bruce Bowen. Speaking at a NCB customer town hall in Kingston last evening, Mr. Bowen acknowledged that there have been numerous cases of fraud against account holders, with scores of customers reporting that they have been defrauded of various sums of money. Mr. Bowen said, recognizing the prevalence of the fraud issues, measures were put in place to curb them. He added that the strategies are reaping success. Meantime, Mr. Bowen said the bank has also sought to address issues with its automated banking machines, ATMs. So my viewers and subscribers, My thing is now, yeah, women not understand. Him say, or them put something in place, which is good. We know all of that, yeah, we know all of that. And thank you for telling us that you put something in place. On saying that, and then on saying this, how much people get back their money? Because that you no need to start out, you know. When people take people money from them account, uno bank supposed to be responsible for it. So have the people them receive their money? That we want to know. That we want to know. We know so maybe 1% of people receive their money. 1% on 100%. That is nothing. You understand me? My wisdom warriors, me think that the people them did go bring some good news go and share with we. And said, guess what? We give back everybody where the money go missing from the account, from the bank, we give it back to them. Me think say that are the good news the people them are come and tell we. Me rot it all. They must say, oh yes, it's gone down. We don't want to hear that. We want hear so the people them get back their money, and that we want hear, because if we cannot solve a simple error on the computer, how we not gonna manage digital? And you honest, how them are gonna manage digital? No sir, this is me not understand. Listen, you see, me telling you something. You can't go manage it, you know. It a go crash. You can't go manage it. That is the thing. You cannot manage it. My wisdom warriors, you see what happened to Petrojam? You see Petrojam did catch a fire? All right. And you only want nuclear plant in Jamaica. And you only want every blasted thing. You think a nuclear plant is some little joke thing? Eh? You think a nuclear plant are like Petrojam when Petrojam catch a fire? My viewers and subscribers, this a mania. Andrew Holness want walk before he can crawl. And that me realize with Andrew Holness. Not even walk, run. This a man just in a haste fear get everything. In a haste fear, anything they ask him about. If he not say yes straight away, he think about it, and then in the end he still go do it. He no come and consult, we are nothing. You understand? This a man just a run up and down, then have him on a string like a puppet up. Everything he agreed to, everything. And this a man want to bring in nuclear plant. We can't manage nuclear plant at Jamaica. We cannot manage it. See Petrojam catch a fire there. Hey, me not even want to talk certain things, my viewers and subscribers. But you see, for a simple error, we come to fraud, they cannot solve. How them are going to solve the digital one? When time digital ready for crash and one bag of something, what go happen? All people record, what go happen? Listen, you know what, yeah? Me I wonder if Andrew Holness carefully think about this. He like to follow the bigger countries them. He carefully think about where he really get himself in and get Jamaican people in. Eh? This man just enough, my viewers and subscribers. Andrew Holness. Enough. And I him me have to blame. You understand? And a lot of, because you know why I blame him too? You see, I remember the opposition side, they go in a House of Parliament and them say the bank, too much money is missing from the bank and they want it to be investigated. And they don't do nothing about it. They don't do nothing about it. Nothing. The government not do about it. They don't care. You understand? They don't care. Everybody money got missing and everybody go. Then I hear them talk about it. Nigel Clark not come out and say nothing. Nothing they not look into. You understand? Not a thing. So, you have to know still, you know. You have to know. But as I said, when the NCB, they may come out and talk off their mouth and I say, oh, fraud reduce by 70%. Yes, it's good. But how much people receive back their money? And that are the news we want to hear. You understand? Because remember, enough bloggers cover it, you know. So that we want to hear for sure. Say, yes, Jamaica at least, you know, them are helping people them. Because by right, you know, from the people, their money go missing, you know. From the people, money them go missing. It is the bank responsibility to give back the customer their money. By right, because the bank them all insure. So why want to give the people them their money? Make it make sense. My viewers and subscribers, don't tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this.
Needed a little clarity myself, so just to be clear. So let's say, for example, a special report is tabled on the matter that the country is waiting to hear, the illicit six. That would come to the House and go
on a point of order, I do not know of what you're speaking, member. It's a, I don't know, no. Please.
When you hear Juliet Holness, but she don't know about the 6 thief. When you hear her, and she are one of them. When you hear her, but she don't know about the 6 thief. Just imagine. Just imagine. But I want to continue to hear more. Hear what Angella Burke have to say.
Please remove that comment. Please remove that comment. That comment is inappropriate, doesn't belong in the House, and is not included in any document submitted in this honorable House. Please remove your comment.
I've heard what you have said, Madam Speaker.
And Hansard, please strike the comment.
So let's say a special report comes to the House, Madam Speaker. It comes to the Speaker, as you have said, it would go directly to the Integrity Oversight Committee. The question that I'm asking is, when we had the issue with the Speaker, former Speaker of the House, the issue about conflict of interest arose. And there was a concern about individuals being on a committee who are subject of the report of the committee. I'm trying to figure out how one would be able to identify whether or not there would be any conflict of interest of the members who are part of the Oversight Committee, and how that would be dealt with. I'm also wondering...
No, I don't think I will be able, if I have so many questions at the same time, remember them all to respond.
My wisdom warriors. So, me tell you now, she no want Angella to say nothing about the 6 thief. She want Angella Burke to use the big words we uno no understand at that. You understand? That is what. Me have to laugh, you know. Me have to laugh, you know, my viewers and subscribers. And that she want Angella Burke to use the big words them what Jamaican people can't understand. You get me? And the woman attack and I said the 6. She don't want the woman to say the 6. It is 6. The investigation committee, they talk about it. Integrity Commission, they mentioned it before. So no lie them I tell. So she just want Angella now to use the pretty speech now. You understand? And the big words. So Jamaican people now have a clue. That's all it is. That's why me have to laugh. Because this a woman here, Juliet Holness. And you know what she do? Them do? Then Andrew Holness create the Oversight Committee and fling pure labor right over there. So just imagine the report come from the Integrity Commission, my viewers and subscribers. Come in at the parliament to she and she send it over to the labor right people them. That makes sense. Me tell you say all of them are corruption. The whole of them are corruption. The whole of them, my viewers and subscribers. And this is unacceptable. They need draw up. This you know, you see this government, they need to dismantle, they need to come out, man of power. They need to come out because they all corrupted. The whole of them is the blasted same. You understand? They need to, because she herself is a conflict of interest. She herself, because her husband is under investigation and she have the report sit down pan from last year August and no one come talk about it. Have it sit down and then take our time and amend legislation to fit around the investigation. And that she do. And it is wrong. It is wrong. We all have to figure prison. You, Juliet Holness, you figure prison. Angel Holness, you figure prison. Uno too wicked. Man. My God. My viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and big up on the nice clean self. I'm out.